Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to open up an iPod. Really, any iPod can be opened like this. As you can see, this is the old one. Just wanted to show you it. There's two methods. I'm going to show you both of them. So the first method is you can open it with this one and you can pry it apart, which damages it. So I strongly suggest the second one. So first you're gonna want to take it off of. You want to put it on hold, whatever. You don't want to see the orange. Second part, you take it and you just kind of throw it on the floor, and it opens up pretty good. Okay, so you now have a opened up iPod. You have most of the electronics. The other electronics I already took out, and a cracked screen. And you can simply put it back together by putting it in. And and then you can put it back on. And so it doesn't fit back on it really good, actually. Yeah. So the other method, pull it apart like that. A good way to do it and not damage it is I'll show you it. It's pretty easy. Hold on. You can go outside with it, and basically you take it and you chuck it outside at something in the snow, whatever works, and it makes it so basically you don't need to break it because it's already broken. So yeah, and now it's icy and snowy. Now, how to get the snow off? You just kind of chuck it against the wall there. Most of it comes off. Try not to get it back in the snow though. So, throw it against the floor a few times. Here you can bang it against something like that. And then you can just go back inside, and so then you can just kind of go back inside, mess with it some more, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.